Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be playing some Flood Escape. And Flood Escape is one of my favorite games, so yeah. Let's play. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. Okay. Guys, we're in the game. Maybe not that close. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, wait, wrong button. So we'll just spectate. But, anyway, this is a fun game. But yeah, I'll see you guys when the match. And, not gonna lie, I'm not really good at this game. I mean, I'm good, but I'm not super duper good. I'm level 17. That's an okay level, right? No, okay. Now that we got that out of the way, let's just play. This level is kind of easy, but also sometimes can be hard. Including when you're playing with a bunch of people who never get buttons, which is me. So, but sometimes on this level I'll get buttons, you know. Okay. You guys like my shades? Yeah. Also, there's codes if you didn't know, promo codes that I got, and yeah. Beneath the Ruins. Now this level, I don't know why, but I can never pass and I never beat it before. I never beat Sinking Ship or Dark Side Facility. I don't know why I'm so bad at those levels. They're just so hard. There's those levels that are insane. But oh crap. Looks like I didn't get the button fast enough. Okay, wow. Here we go. Oh. Well, damn. I thought I was gonna get that. Did someone get it? Yep. Good. Okay, guys. Sometimes I die on these. Usually I beat this level. Oh, and sometimes that happens where I stay against the wall too much and I die. Man, oh man. Okay, so it looks like they passed the level. Dang it. Can't believe I died. Okay, the Lost Woods. Oh, I should be able to beat this one. This one is pretty easy. But yeah. Kind of feel like doing Insanes, but I don't know if I got like the best group of people to help. We couldn't even pass the normal last rounds, and yeah. Tell me other games you want to see. Maybe I'll make a video about Murder Mystery. If this video gets to like 5 likes, I'll make a Murder Mystery video. Boom. Oh man, what's my other one? I like to play dead. I like to play dead. Emotes. I don't like to actually be dead in the game. Oh, I think my character glitched. Well, that's always nice. At the worst moment, the water's already almost gone. Okay, get out. Okay, whatever. Okay, sweet people. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I'll see you when the next round's. Okay, guys, so we're back, and to the next match, and we're doing Poisonous Valley. This level, I beat this before by myself, unless I fall down like this. Dang, I suck today, guys. Why do I suck so bad? Yeah, I'll be right back again. Okay, next match is Castle Tides. Oh, never mind. Yep, so it's gonna get that. Oh no, guys, I suck. What a surprise. Oh no. It's too good to be true. When I heard Robux was free, it was too good to be true for me. And it was too good to be true, cause it was fake, and I left my Roblox account, cause it was fake. Oh, I actually leveled up. I'm level 18. I guess this this emotion can make you glitch through whatever. You wanna glitch through the wall? Just, play dead. And you'll glitch right through it. No! I don't wanna die. Just kidding. Oh, dang, I glitched again. How's this part? Oh, it looks someone is hacking. There's always people hacking in this game. It doesn't matter what you do. They're gonna find you. If you're looking for a hacker, just go to a random server, you'll find one. This game is full of hackers, bro. Full of them. But I still love this game no matter what. Even though this game is like, easily could be full of hackers, you know. I play Pokemon. I'm sorry. Oh no, I'm gonna lose. I missed the first jump. Oh man, I almost died. Ah. I play Pokemon Go. I'm sorry guys, this song is retarded. just stuck in my head. Just stuck in my head, you know, like when a song sucks, but it's still stuck in your head from like years ago. Because it sucks so bad that it was years ago, and you still got it in your head. Oh no, no. Oh no. Jeez, get the button, somebody. Okay. Jeez, the hacker should have got the button. He should have made it a green button if he's so good at hacking. Freaking McPacker. Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna pass this level. Oops. I almost missed that. Yeah, this level isn't too hard. Unless no one gets the buttons, then it's a little hard. I'm gonna play dead, guys. Guys, I'm playing dead. I'm off the ground and I'm dead. The lava's almost touching me. That 1 foot right there has lifted me up. That's how strong that 1 foot is. Wow, I never seen such a fleet of strength picking up problems. This guy probably wins. Like, I don't know. I mean, he got a staff, he got cola on his shoulder. I mean, and he is pretty blocksy, if you know what I mean. Okay, that was pretty bad, not gonna lie. But yeah. Pretty blocksy. The staff probably weighs a good amount too. I mean, look it. It's magical. Oh, and it has crystal. No. Jeez. All of a sudden I feel like I suck at this game now. Oh wait. It's because I always suck. Why is it all of a sudden? Oh no. Oh crap. Oh, probably crap. Ooh, someone enabled Pro Walk. This poor dude must carry so much weight on his back in the water. He's probably falling like this. I mean, he got his staff. The spider cola doesn't look like it weighs too much, unless it's full. I mean, that's full on his shoulder. I mean, it might be pretty heavy. It's like, have you ever just grabbed the soda and it felt super heavy? Ah, somebody get the button. Oh, no. Oh, thank goodness somebody finally got it. Oh, jeez. How are you still breathing? How do you still breathe through that tank? Oh yeah, we're all dead. Well, guys, I think it's perfect to end off the video here. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah. Bye.